interrupt your program to tell you what's happening in the world.
Animals are dying, and Amelia and Carter will tell you more.
Breaking news. Endangered animals are coming extinct. We need to help them. Let's look into the news here. All of the world are dying. We need to help them. We need to talk about white rhinos. They are dying from poaching. People want their horns. We have to help them. It's up to all of us. Don't let them disappear from the African grasslands.
We have discovered that there are only 1,864 giant pandas left in the world. This means that they are vulnerable and endangered. The oldest giant panda lived up to 36 years old.
Giant pandas live up in Asia. Giant pandas eat up to 25 pounds of bamboo a day. They spend 12 hours a day eating.
Did you know giant pandas are pink when they are born?
And their poo is also green.
A group of pandas is called an embarrassment.
We need to help these amazing animals. Don't let them disappear. Good afternoon, Filey News. Today we are going to be talking about giraffes. Giraffes are tall and they're called towers. Giraffes have a unique pattern of spots to hide from predators.
Hello, we have important news about endangered whale sharks. Let me start by telling you that whale sharks live in all tropical seas.
Whale sharks have whale skin and they breathe underwater. They can swim quicker. Whale sharks have long lives.
Whale sharks have teeth in their eyes.
Whale sharks have predators.
Whale sharks they eat plankton and krill. Don't let them disappear.
Don't let our polar bears Polar bears live in Antarctica. Did you know that polar bears eat seals because they are a predator? That's what polar bears have: white fur and black sharp claws. They are camouflaged into the snow so they can hunt their prey. Polar bears are endangered because oils and gas are destroying their habitat. They live on their boat. They can run to 25 miles an hour. We must help polar bears and stop them from dying. They are needed extinct. Don't let them disappear. News Tilly will tell us about gorillas. Good afternoon. My name's Tilly. We're talking about gorillas. Gorillas carry baby gorillas on their necks and backs. Did you know that gorillas wake up with the sun? Gorillas are nearly extinct. Don't let them disappear. What's Tilly made you think? Help us to help the animals. Back to Carter and Amelia. Thank you for watching today. See you next time.